Welcome to Oberdecing. I'm Jason, and in today's episode we're going through how to program an instrument panel cluster on a Chevrolet Caprice PPV. So first off, click the vehicle button, go to the instrument panel cluster tile, and this will load up and show the licensing form if you haven't licensed already. This licensing menu allows you to license this instrument cluster within this vehicle. After licensing, you can access all of the available programmable options, and you can come back at any time to make additional changes. Once it's all processed through, we'll have our available options for programming along the top here. So first off, we're going to go click on the configurations tab. Just going to scroll down a little bit here and go through a couple of the options that we can see. Starting off with the navigation option, turning this on will show the turn-by-turn navigation prompts on the instrument cluster screen, only if you have one of the Australian navigation radio boxes with the United States maps. Next one of interest, the HSV option. So turning this on will change the traction control button text that displays on screen. We also have our tire pressure monitoring system. So we can see here we have our TPMS fault and we want to turn that off. So going ahead and we'll turn that off in this demonstration to get rid of that warning. So we'll do that now. And then we're going to scroll down, and our last option here, sport shift. So the sport shift is actually going to be when you actually put into sport mode, and I use our tap up, tap down, we're going to actually see the gears 1 through to 6 on the actual screen. Then when ready, go ahead, click write, and this will process and write those changes to the instrument cluster. We can see immediately our TPMS error has now disappeared, and that's now good to go. Make sure to like and subscribe, otherwise we'll see you next time.